Okay, we have two supercapacitor with 500 microfarad each, 2.7 volts. So I just try to charge the other one. So 2.7 times 2 is 5.4. So now it's charging at 5.4. How about I try the other one? How long it will take? Okay, dyan ka muna. Okay, another one. Okay. Oh no, it's 3 ampere. Means it's okay, it's going down very quickly. So this charging method is like slowly. Okay, I will try to monitor how much is going. Okay, hold on. Could you try to insert other one? Okay. Okay, maybe I check this one. Oh, too low. Maybe like 2.5. So they charge gradually. Okay, it's gradually charging, going up slowly. It's going very slow. No, okay, very slowly. Try this one. Okay, hands-free now. So now from 2.5 range, it's going up to 1.5, 1.7, 1.7 volts. So this supercapacitor charges gradually. I don't know how long it will take to make it fully charged. Okay. Yeah, it's going down, huh? The ampere rates is going down, and the voltage is going up bit by bit. Now it's 2 volts now. Okay, it's 2 volts. Okay. So this one is different from the battery. This supercapacitor is from 0 and bit by bit. Oh, it's bit by bit. Okay, I need to increase now. Okay. So now it's going to 2.5, going to 3 volts. Okay. Oh, but if I change to 6 volt, increase a little bit. Okay, 6 volts. Still going down, and the voltage is going up to 3 volts now. even is 6 volts. I said it was 6 volts, but still okay. We'll see. I had 3 more battery here, supercapacitor, so ranging 2.7 500 microfarad in a series. Oh yeah, it's a series. Okay. And okay, how long it takes? Now it takes 3.2. Now it's 3.4. Wow. Okay, hold on. That's it. Huh? Take long.